Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a dramatic night scene with a lone figure under a street lamp. Grab your pencils and let's get started. Start by drawing a large circle in the center of your paper. This will be the frame for our scene. You can use a compass or trace around a circular object to get a perfect shape. Next, let's draw the street lamp. Begin by sketching a vertical line slightly to the right of the center of the circle. This will be the pole of the street lamp. Then draw a curved line extending from the top of the pole to form the lamp itself. Now it's time to add the figure. Place the figure towards the bottom left of the circle. Start with a simple silhouette shape indicating the head, body, and limbs. Keep the figure small to emphasize the vastness of the scene. To create the night sky, shade the background inside the circle. Use a soft pencil or charcoal for a smooth gradient, starting darker at the edges and getting lighter as you move towards the center. This will give the effect of the light spreading out from the street lamp. Now blend the light around the street lamp to make it look like it's glowing. You can use a blending stump or your finger to soften the edges of the light. Make sure the area right under the lamp is the brightest part. Go back to the figure and darken the silhouette to make it stand out against the light. Then shade the ground beneath the figure and the lamp, making it darkest directly under the figure and the lamp post to suggest shadows. And there you have it, a beautiful moody night scene with a lone figure under a street lamp. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art lessons. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.